Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let me show you how to mute a word on X. So first of all, open X on your device and you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen, and in this menu you have to scroll down until you see settings and privacy. As you can see, your settings are divided into different sections. You want to go to section privacy and safety, and from here let's go to mute and block section. Now enter muted words page and press add button at the bottom side of your screen. Now you can enter word or phrase or username or hashtag that you want to mute. So let's set something like this. And also you can set up some set your preferences. So you can select mute from home timeline, from notifications, from anyone, or from people that you don't follow. You can switch between those like this. And also you have to select a duration. It could be forever, 24 hours, 7 days, or 30 days. And finally, when you are ready, you just have to tap save button in the top right corner of your screen. And as you add new muted words, they will appear right here in this page. So that's how you can mute a word on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.